Vutandeji yabaho basi ya Global Coaches registration number UBE 509N yatomera na busobwa ntama na rore ya forward registration number UBK 39M omukasheshekeri izoba hari Trinity hihi na St Kagwa aha muhando gurukuza kakanjo muri kizoba Bushenyi
Kisaka erukuza Kampala yaye kange moto kibiro miswa eyenda ngwe overtaking ezo mukono gogo ayanavuga tupa arikuruka Bushenyi ati yaye mwekanga yaronde cyo gukora cyabo ya mutahira mwako
baseje ya Global ye kora tine na tausi ya yarenga piki nyoni mvijira stage kwa boda boda mbanye tatu kama ngo Julius mvijira stage haro ya choma ya barone overtaking moto kisatu watu kwa haya na reterwa side je kwa na overtaking moto kezi satu ekagwana no watu kwa ati ya boruguta bwo kufunda yaronda hera tore hajubura
Butandeji yabaho bwanyuma ya basi ya Global yabanerwa Bushenyi rukuza Kampala okutomerana na rore ya forward yabanerwa Bushenyi erukuzishaka
towa boda boda kakwenda njao na urukuturufunzure ahora na ikenyuma na kuterebe ko byenye akora ngo urukuturufunzure takwenda kumenya byo wapi byo urunga rukuto takwenda nakukurwara
abayerebera nagabo nibagera ngo cya leta Butandeji n'inshonga y'umuvuji wa basi ya Global okuvugise kimama arukugezaho kwiruka kurwanira abashabazi na basi ya Taus eyabe muri yo misho
kandi Global yeinaha emoto kibere nyuma eze zikuratire eze zebembire atikiza zebembire na Global yende overtaking eze motoka egoberere Taus atiyane na kuzarabaho esanga yo tupa ati nko kukwata ganda
abakutara bashatu birukangiza ubwo mu irwaro rya KI yo mu Bushenyi kandi polisi yenda kugamba hanshongeji ibyo bikiryaho polisi yo mu ruho imekomero umuvuji wa taxi number UB 853E eyatomire kandi kito abira chairman wa district ya Chikube Peter Banura Arari ahabero nabyo kwezi kwa kana omwaka ugu.
The suspect had been on run since the time we caused the accident, but our team has been tracking him. So last night he was arrested from Moyo district in West Nile, and they are bringing him to Chikube to record his statement.
Umuvuji wa taxi number UB 853 okomerwe na Tom Mugabirwa rukujunana wo kutomera kandi akita chairman wa district ya Chikube Peter Banura Arari ahabiro nabyo kwezi kwa kana omwaka ugu.
He has given us a time. He made his boss being arrested, but of course if we produced himself immediately after causing the accident, wouldn't, because we have incurred a lot of costs tracking him down. His boss is in the prison, and we want also to, we have always advised the drivers, special reckless drivers, to always be considerate on the road.
Abantu bashabwa kugumana bakwatanisa na polisi barukuhaya amazina g'abantu abaruko bantu barondwa Banura kafera hamya kana na munana y'obukuru atakamazire enchure yatunjura omwaka gw'2021 amakuru agagasha kwa Abraham Muganzi na Ambrose Nuwagaba Katoto.